are, people, back for another video, taking the dogs for a walk up my nan's. Going out of her side on the main road. This is the front garden. This is part 2. I did promise you that I would do. There they both are. Let's hold one. I did that in. I did promise you that I'd do a part 2 of these dogs walking them. Yes, on a lovely night where it's nice and peaceful. But here is Todd. Here's my nan walking Bailey, but just on this estate. Todd very fast. Show you the front of Bailey. Here you go, here's Bailey walk. Look how nice Bailey walks. And there's Todd, just a crazy. I was doing a wee in the garden. Look, I'm having to jog here. You could just hold that in the hand, please. Don't click that red button, please. Here I am, people. Put the camera. I'm walking Todd now. Bailey's just over there. Move the camera to Bailey's there. And Todd's a beagle, so he likes to sniff, whereas Bailey is a border terrier, and he's just a normal dog. Come on, let's go up the hill. Here we are, this hill. Let's go for a nice run like we did the other night when we took him for a walk. Just having a wee up the tree. But just going to walk out this main road here. Look at the camera. Yes. Yeah, but last night we just took him up here, right up to the top. That's what I'm doing tonight. Put the camera up, Nanny, please. Put the camera up. iPad up. Yes. And then Todd. Sneak around on the bushes. Make sure you're recording by. I'll have the camera now. Come on, Todd. Hello, people. Look how nice Bailey walks, and here's the Todd the beagle sniffing about. Todd, look at the camera! Todd! There's my nan just walking Bailey. Come on, Todd! Walking across the road. It's like, stop there, is Bailey. And there's Todd. Come closer, Nanny. Come closer, please.